What's up you guys, it's Alexa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another first impressions haul with Fashion Nova. Honestly, I did not expect my first Fashion Nova video to get so many views. I guess it was very helpful. For the second video, I did want to read your guys' comments and see what you guys wanted me to try. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos like this and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post. And with all of that being said, let's jump right into this haul. The first item that we're going to try on are some jeans. I would say the most popular comment from the previous Fashion Nova video was, can you try on their jeans? Because I guess they're really known for their jeans. I mean, it's not like I guess they have a lot of jeans. It's kind of obvious they have literally pages and pages of jeans, and I was just like, wow. I'm going to try on these acid wash ones first. So they're not going to be like the super tight, like super curvy ones that you guys see on the website. I did pick up a pair of those, but I'm going to save those to the end. These ones are more of a vintage fit, I guess. And I got mine in a size 1. Let's try them on. I just really like acid wash jeans. Yeah! I feel like mine fit pretty normal. I want to say they fit like typical mom jeans. I don't know if it's because I'm on my period and I'm just like extra bloated for this haul, but it's actually really hard to find a good pair of jeans that fit your waist, fit your hips, and then fit your thighs. These are doing it. Or maybe because I just had a big bag of Ruffles. They have a lot of sodium in it and it like makes you puff up. I don't know, who knows. But anyways, I think they look great. They feel great too. This is just like one of those regular crop tops and it has a little mock neck and it says reckless. So this one is a small and I'll show you guys what it looks like on. It's honestly just, oh, I'm already wearing a sports bra as a top so I could just throw this one on. My bobby pins, they still good. For this top they probably didn't have it in an extra small or else I would have ordered it in an extra small, but this one is just like a little loose fitting. I was hoping it was going to be like this. That way it could like really accentuate the waist area, make it like even smaller, but it's okay. Maybe also because I'm wearing a sports bra, so it's like really like just like sucking it all in there. So we're gonna do a top again, and this is a, what do you call this? This is just like an off the shoulder crop top, and it has this really big rib on the top. If you're kind of like my body type, you should. What the Okay, so really quick, I do not kill bugs. Obviously, I have a pet spider, so I try not to kill bugs. I mean, unless it's on accident, like if I accidentally step on an ant or something. Last night, I caught a freaking huge cockroach in my apartment, like honestly like this big. And I think it's because at night I would leave the screen door closed, but then I'd have the actual wooden door cracked a little bit for some like air and stuff, and I think it kind of crawled in through that way. I was like talking and I just saw a big one like walking like on the wall, and I was just like, what the heck? Like I caught it down here, so I looked and it wasn't in its jar anymore, so that was like the same cockroach. It escaped somehow. I'm so mad. Anyways, back to the haul. Alright, off the shoulder, here we go. Cute. Alright. See? I guess you can also wear it like this. I look like a sailor if I do this, so I'm gonna just push it down here. So as long as you just get like a really small size in your tops, you should be a-okay. I just realized I've been like sporting this look with this tag, like just like sewing it and stuff. So the next item, I'm going to be wearing these shorts. So they're high-waisted faux lace-ups. Don't know what material this is. I should know because I'm like in fashion design. Really stretchy matte spandex. But they fit really, really well. And these are in a size small. Goodbye, mom jeans. Ta-da! Oh, I didn't even zip it up yet. I think it's because it's the stretchy material. So that's one thing I do love about Fashion Nova, is that they get pieces that are very stretchy so that they could fit a lot of body types. It's really thick and it kind of like imitates boning or whatever for a corset. So corsets usually have boning that go here and it kind of gives it more structure. So I feel like that's what's really holding in the waist area, making your waist smaller. This part is just really stretchy, so it could fit your thighs, your hips, your whatever over here. I just feel like these just make my butt look bigger. Is that just me? So the next thing are a pair of shoes. However, I didn't get a pedicure, I'm just saying, so I'm gonna kind of show you guys from like not close. Lace-up sandals are going to be they've actually always been very popular, especially in spring and summer. So I feel like a lot of the clothes that I got from Fashion Nova would be worn with these type of shoes. Like even this outfit right here would go perfect with these sandals if I could just get the tape off. Smell like typical downtown LA shoes. So this is the front. Oh, such a weird angle. And now I'm just gonna lace it up. Alexa, what are you doing? Like, okay. I got it. For lace-up shoes, I feel like I have to tie them so tight because if not, then they're just gonna slip right off. So if anyone has any tricks of how they could keep your lace-up shoes from slipping and falling, I would love to know, because I feel like I just like look like a piece of meat about to be cooked. This little dip is not cute. They like totally go well with this outfit. You know, just doing some chair choreography to show off my heels, even though I didn't put my heel on this foot, just this foot. So extra. So next we're gonna try on this leather tube top dress. It has like a waist buckle belt. I got a lot of like faux leather. I cannot talk right now. I think it's because I'm hungry. Anyways, got a lot of faux leather, a lot of edgy buckle, kind of punkish, a little grungy-ish items from Fashion Nova, but I think I got a pretty good amount of sexy and like cute. Ow, I just whipped my face. This is in a size extra small, so this technically should fit. Woo! It totally fits except for the boobs. That's a given, because I already know I don't have boobs. Wow. Aw, man. Wish I had like one extra hole, that way I could make it like super cinched. I think I just always like to be like suffocating in my clothes. I don't know why. So this fits like from here down. It's just the boob area is like really loose. So I'm thinking I could even do this. This might be cute. If you're even smaller than me, it might be a little too big for you. But if you're like my frame and have bigger boobs, you should get it because it'll look really bomb on you. I like this. I think I might do the whole boob thing because, oh wait. What about this? Look at this little hack. Oh, made it into like a little sweetheart dress. Yes. Fashion Nova is gonna be like, what are you doing? Why are you doing it to our clothes? Wow, Fashion Nova hat come through. And it kind of fills in that empty space. Wow, okay. So this is my next Vegas outfit. This is just a basic fur coat. I don't even know if I need to explain why I got this because you guys already know me. Pink faux fur. Oh wow, with this dress, it's a look. So this is a size large. I like to just drown in all my sweaters, so that's why I always get them in a size larger. I'm gonna take a picture, BRB. Okay, so if you guys watched the first Fashion Nova video, there was a set that I bought. It was a plaid two-piece set, and the top fit, and then when I went to put on the bottoms, it just like was not cute at all. So that one was a fail, but I wanted to kind of give it another go. So I got another two-piece set. This time I got this in a size small, so hopefully it will fit. This one's not necessarily like as fitted as the previous one. Okay, so I feel like this is a little opposite now because I feel like this was fine as a small, but then this I feel like should have been an extra small for me. It still fits though. I think I'm just being kind of picky. Oh, this is a cute set though. These make my butt look big too. It's like office wear but extra, super extra. So this next dress I did wear already and my post was actually on the Fashion Nova Instagram, so you guys have probably seen it already. It's this faux suede pink camo dress, which I am obsessed with. The camel fad is kind of dying out now, but you guys know me, I love pink, so I'm still really living for this dress. I just really like the material of this dress. So as you guys can see, this is an extra small and it fits me like a glove. Yeah, like, I totally feel like a Fashion Nova girl. Oh my gosh. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh, my voice is getting so raspy. No, I really like it. And I just love this part. The little swoopy hem that goes up. It makes your legs look a little longer, especially from the side. For some reason, I don't know, because it swoops down, it makes your butt look bigger. I don't know, Fashion Nova just knows how to make your body look good. This is like probably one of my favorite fitting dresses because it just fits so perfectly.
Who's bad and thick? I could buy designer, but this Fashion Nova fit.
Last item to wear are these jeans. Like I said, I got two pairs of jeans. These are supposed to be like those super skinny, like Like those tight Fashion Nova jeans that everyone wanted me to try. These ones actually have cutouts down to the ankle all the way to the waist. So a little out there, but I thought I might as well go big or go home because y'all really wanted me to try on jeans. I'm trying on jeans. And I got these jeans in a 25. Ooh, very cut outy. A lot of cutouts here. I don't know if they'll look how they look on the model because she has a hourglass body, like after hours, so many hours. That was like the lamest joke in the world. Ignore me. Oh, they fit. Oh my god, they actually really fit. I really thought that the waist was gonna be like pretty big and loose, but it fit there. Amazing. If you guys get these pants, all you have to do is just wear like a thong or something and then just move it all the way to the waistband and then voila. You don't have to go like pantyless or commando or anything. Good looking out, you guys, the ones that really wanted me to wear these jeans. I love high-waisted jeans. I know they have a ton of high-waisted jeans and they fit waist, hips, and thighs and ankles all in one. That's very rare. So I'm a fan. I like these ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope this helped out someone out there. I also want to let you guys know my measurements or whatever. That way you guys can use it for reference. I am 5'1". I know I am short. And I am between 105 to 110 pounds. I'm usually an extra small. I mean, I don't know what other info you guys might need. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. That's all for this video. I love you guys all and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!